I, Jesus Christ, make you whole. I stretch forth my hand to heal you. If you ask anything in my name, I will do it. Beloved, faith in my name makes you strong and gives you perfect soundness. I do good and heal all that are oppressed by the devil. My power causes diseases to depart from you. The law of the Spirit of life in me has made you free from the law of sin and death. The same Spirit that raised me from the dead now lives in you, and that Spirit will quicken you, your mortal body. Your body is a member of me. Your body is the temple of my Spirit. You are glorifying me in your body. I wash your body with the pure water. Lift up the weak hands and the feeble knees. Don't let that which is lame to be turned aside, but rather let me heal it. Let the elders anoint you and pray for you in my name, and I will raise you up. Pray for one another, and I will heal you. Because of my stripes, you are healed. My divine power has given unto you all things that pertain unto life and godliness through the knowledge of me. Whosoever is willing, come, take of the water of life freely. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in good health. When I passed by you and saw you struggling in your own blood, I said to you, in your blood, live. Yea, I said to you, in your own blood, live. Beloved, if you will rightly discern my body, which was broken for you, you will not be weak, you will not be sickly, you will not die prematurely. Eat my flesh and drink my blood. You shall not die. I will abide in you forever. You will abide in me forevermore, because that is the new covenant cup I have given unto you for your health. I have set gifts of healing in my body. My life may be made manifest in your mortal flesh. I have delivered you from death. I do deliver you, and if you trust me, I will yet deliver you. I have given you my name. I have put all things under your feet. I want it to be well with you. I want you to live long on the earth. I have delivered you from the authority of darkness. I will deliver you from every evil work. I tasted death for you. I destroyed the devil who had the power of death. I have delivered you from the fear of death and bondage. You shall not die, but live and declare my wonderful works. I heal your broken heart. I bind up your wounds. The years of your life shall be many. Trusting me brings health to your navel and marrow to your bones. My words are life to you, and health and medicine to all your flesh. My good report makes your bone fat. My pleasant words are sweet to your soul and health to your bones. My joy is your strength. A merry heart does good like a medicine. The eyes of the blind shall be opened. The eyes of them shall see, they shall not be dim. The ears of the deaf shall be unstopped, the ears of them that hear shall hearken. I am the Lord that healeth thee. Your days shall be 120 years. You shall be buried in a good old age. You shall come to your grave in a full age, like as a shock of corn cometh in his season. When I see the blood, I will pass over you, and the plague shall not be upon you to destroy you. I will take sickness away from the midst of you, and the number of your days I will fulfill. I will not put any of the diseases you are afraid of on you, but I will take all sickness away from you. It will be well with you, and your days shall be multiplied and prolonged as the days of heaven upon the earth. I turned the curse into a blessing unto you, because I loved you. I have redeemed you from every sickness and every plague. As your days, so shall be your strength. I have found a ransom for you. Your flesh shall be fresher than a child's, and you shall return to the days of your youth. I have healed you and brought up your soul from the grave. I have kept you alive from going down into the pit. I will give you strength and bless you with a peace. I will preserve you and keep you alive. I will strengthen you upon the bed of languishing. I will turn all your bed in your sickness. I am the health of your countenance and your God. No plague shall come near your dwelling. I will satisfy you with long, good, contented life. I will heal all your diseases. I sent my word and healed you and delivered you from your destructions. The tongue of the dumb shall sing. The tongue of the stammerers shall be ready to speak plainly. The lame man shall leap as a hart. I will recover you and make you to live. I am ready to save you. I give power to the faint. I increase strength to them that have no might. I will renew your strength. I will strengthen and help you. To your old age and grey hairs I will carry you, and I will deliver you. I bore your sickness. I carried your pains. I was put to sickness for you. With my stripes you are healed. I will heal you. Your light shall break forth as the morning, and your health shall spring forth speedily. I will restore health unto you. I will heal you of your wounds, said the Lord. Behold, I will bring it health and cure. I will cure you. I will reveal unto you the abundance of peace and truth. I will bind up that which was broken. I will strengthen that which was sick. Behold, I will cause breath to enter into you. I will cause breath to enter into you. You shall live. I shall put my spirit in you, and you shall live. Whithersoever the rivers shall come shall live. They shall be healed, and everything shall live where the river comes. Seek me, and you shall live. I have arisen with healing in my wings, in my beams. I am willing to heal you. Be thou clean. I took all your infirmities. I bore all your sicknesses. If you are sick, you need a physician. I am your physician. I am your family physician. I am healing you. I am moved with compassion toward the sick. I heal them. I heal all manner of sickness and all manner of disease. According to your faith, be it unto you. I give you power. I give you authority over all unclean spirits to cast them out, and to heal them all manner of sickness and all manner of disease. The whole multitude sought to touch me. The synergy surged from me. I healed them all. As many as touch me are made perfect and whole. My beloved, healing is the children's bread. I do all things well. I make the deaf to hear and the dumb to speak. If you can believe, all things are possible for you. When hands are laid on you, you shall recover. My anointing heals the broken-hearted and delivers the captives, recovers sights to the blind, and sets liberty those that are bruised. I heal all those who have need of healing. I am not come to destroy men's lives, but to save them. Behold, I give you authority over all the enemy's power, and nothing shall by any means hurt you. Sickness is satanic bondage. You ought to be loosed today. In me is life. I am the bread of life. I give you life now. The words I speak unto you are spirit and life. I am come that you might have life, that you might have it more abundantly. I am the resurrection and the life. Be healed. Be healed. Be healed.